Osadolor Eribo, representing the Edo State House of Assembly. Our opponent had the rebellious of Oberana. Doga Mamembe, he only had the intention here to run for second tenure. Our now waiting to one party here. The 10 wards in the local government council area. I was here in Natuwa. Oya wa wese wana mwenye o.
Osunma nọlele Osadolor Eribo wade. Waya ewe osi abuya eno. Alawe no tie wa na lele ade wa dua. Osi anala mi ewe zele na ya siti ma ewo. Masola ewe magade lere. Obi ma ayo me. Ọmọdé kàmí òwà ní àṣẹtìmíye ọ̀nà wo etí yẹn lé nù wà lẹ́kùn níyẹn ọ̀yẹ́ ní ìyẹn kọ́ ní ẹ̀wọ̀n ìgbé ayé àṣẹ ìyẹn kú wà ládé èrú wà nílé kò náà sùn yẹn ọkú abẹ́rẹ́ ìdẹ̀lẹ́ náà alẹ́ ní mà ọwọ́ ìwà aláwọ̀ wò èmi kéde nìyẹn rí ká wà ètò àmọ́ láti wà lé wọ́n lọ́wọ́ wà wúdà ọwọ́ gbọ́pá ẹ̀bà ìtẹ̀lẹ̀ lùwàlá ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀màrìbà ẹ̀ẹ́nà náà kúgbé màdúrà rúdà wẹ̀ẹ́ ọmọ náà níyà nìyí nẹ̀ àríṣẹ́ tí wèé gbé ayé ọdún ẹ̀yà yìí.
APC Progress APC. Ìtumọ̀ ìlómi àpapẹ̀ my chairman. I want to stand on the existing protocol, if you permit me. What else? I will man. Really has to accept it now. My go work day. Yeah, yeah, I said, what you need, I said. Voila. Alibaba. He wanted to man from the chairman and the LGA. People are having a conference now. I am amazed, I am surprised with the number of people that still turn out here. Despite everything and also now, and I will the way acting leader for a goal. Inawiru, Inamudia, Inawe. I make a decision of the law, but at the end of the day, you have to make that decision. We have made decisions either right or wrong, but we have made them, and it is here to stay. The chairman not to tell because how one way or river. Because how one way you. I will not hide the fact. 80% of the people in Ghana they were not with him. But God Almighty said in your river, and he came out, and he won. So we must all support him. I am with him. And I'm sure you are all with him. The APC can only grow stronger from strength to strength. APC is the only party. Yes. Malabiane. Campaign Irebana. Am I sure campaign? Even though the permission will work. Even though you work, do work with Nico Regari Asena. House of Assembly, executive, chairman. It is a very different ball game. Election. And where Robert Stamp Money has Assembly members. He were yes, Robert Stamp Money. Robert Stamp in the sense where the government I am not there in the House of Assembly to antagonize or to pursue or to condemn the executive. No, we are supposed to work hand in hand. It is when you see that they are erring, you call and you talk to them. That is the work of the legislator. Well, on my campaign, as I said, am I sure wear t-shirt? Am I sure wear makeup? The posters from Amaladia, we are still waiting. There is another guideline. Now what Rebana is to come and tell you, to beg you, to inform you that please, I, Honorable Crosby Osadolor Eribo, I am still representing a constituency in the House of Assembly till May next year. I am still on the seat till May next year, 2019. Hereby come to solicit your support that I should go back. Thank you very much.
Seven at APC, Otima, Obima, ni Mayaka Gewu, Ariye Ringrodini. Mayare Pere, no ve yare bakere ate. When I represent interest of Amoyave, my I had it here, and I did Bano Afo, my dog, when I if ye go, if ya, the manori 2 seconds or ye, if ya bo, a mato salopwa, I went outside. Urayeti sekenojene me agani mena awe woman leader on a burial, on a marriage, on a birthday my was sevane any mapuse umponi of when I have 5,000 it's all there but all now Baba when yes when now and they are started with him as our football no matter the sequel and also carry casino. So you want me wow you so and I know it's going there yeah well when I my and you know I can't remember officer secretary and I the way party to our if I so don't ọpẹ́ ni ma ke le lekia ma ebe no ya pe he o pia e ma de ri na lady jima ga Mrs. Obasa kita ma ri oje o we ga se ti mi o ne we na te mi we wa lo ma ti we fo si abon yo wa awon ma be ri o e no wa ya wa wese ire no buri ki ata ehu ẹ̀wùwà àjàsùwẹ̀ fún ìdá ọmọdé ọmọ náà ní gbẹ̀ẹ́ nù. Bẹ́ẹ̀ kàtà sí Mrs. Obaseki, wúra sí kọ́ ẹ̀ ẹjọ́ hàn ẹgbẹ́ ẹjá ògbẹ́ ẹkọ́lá ìrìnìyàn ó ṣe lọ́kẹ́ kèrò ìyẹ̀wẹ̀ wà láwọn lùwà pàrí nẹ̀lá lọ́ọ̀tì àrí ẹ̀ asọ̀fàṣẹ́ bí gbókèfà wáyá wẹ́sọ̀.
Honorable Crosby Eribo has spoken the mind of a lot of people. First, he has told us what a legislator does. Some of us do not have known. But he also mentioned something that I think was a digression, but it's very good, about the emergence of Chief Odion Olaye as the work of God, which is true. Each time something happens, I call him. I'll quarrel with him. We don't walk over it and everything works over. Comment to the issue of going back the second term, I think for second tenure. We all know Eribo is generous. People all talk about generosity. We don't need to vote. We just say, carry go. They have done well. If you go to his place, really, if you go to his place anytime, whether there is a party, there is no party, he has an open door policy. One of the qualities of an assemblyman or representative is to be approachable. Some of them, if you call them now, the number you used to know before is no longer working. But Eribo has maintained the same numbers and you reach him anytime. And sometimes, like he said, we make mistakes. Even when he makes mistakes, he accepts. That's the quality of the leader. I want to plead, I want to beg that we all support Honorable Crosby Osadolor Eribo for a second term.
If I am privileged to say today that Crosby Osadolor Eribo should not have any opposition, people will frank at it. But the bottom line is very frank. If we want to be united, if we want a sellable candidate, we want a candidate that you can promote at this time, that has all the quality material to represent us. It is Crosby Osadolor Eribo.
In all this, having gone to the council 3 times, you came from a wealthy home. You didn't leave Textile Road. You didn't relocate to somewhere in Banana Island. You didn't relocate anywhere. You still come to Textile Road to relate to the people. There's a connect between Eribo and the people of Egor.
APC and the local government should have done Eribo as the short candidate for us accepting the government. Our leaders at the state that the local government have one candidate. Already. And that candidate is our brother Eribo.
On behalf of the women, we are saying that we are very much on ground to work with our leader.
Our leader, our father, Honorable Crosby Osadolor Eribo, is one man history cannot forget in a hurry. As if on the floor of the Egor highly rated chamber, I would like to describe him as a man of public importance. He is tested and highly trusted. I want to appeal to all of us to support this great man. He is a man of many calibers. A man that has touched the life of the entire Egor people. On behalf of my highly rated speaker, Honorable Sabonier, I want to say that we are fully in support of your second tenure to become our highly rated Egor State Assembly member. Thank you very much and God bless you.